Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been a minute and I'm super sorry for the lack of content on my channel, but I think I mentioned in my last video I was going to be taking a month vacation and it was awesome. We went to a bunch of places all through Europe and it was so nice to get away and relax and really kind of enjoy Europe. I feel like for me, because I grew up in London, I always used to kind of not appreciate how special lots of cities in Europe were, and this time I really loved it. So while I was away, I was planning on filming some content for you guys. However, I decided to kind of enjoy the kind of everyday moments, and instead I just posted a ton of Instagram content. And if you guys aren't following me already, it's just at Electra Formosa. Go over there and follow me because that is where I'm posting all my outfits, all my kind of daily musings, and yeah, I am absolutely loving Instagram at the moment. I'm really doing a lot for it and it's doing a lot for me. So yeah, go and follow me if you're not already. Shameless plug there. However, while I was away, I did do quite a bit of shopping because I did that thing where I packed super last minute. I always do that. And I was actually not feeling very well on the day I packed, so I didn't want to try anything on, which is a massive error. That is one of my top tips when packing for a trip. Try everything on. Plan your outfits, and then you won't bring random 7 pairs of denim shorts that you're not going to wear. That's what I did. So while I was away, I got to do a bit of shopping because I genuinely was like, I don't actually have the pieces I need. And so I thought I would film a bit of a haul for you. I've pretty much worn, I think, everything I bought other than one little outfit. So yeah, I will not ramble too much because there's quite a bit to get through, and yeah, let's jump into this haul. Okay, so kicking things off, I'm kind of going to go in order of cities where I was. So I started off at Topshop, one of my faves, and it was actually so nice to go back to the Oxford Circus Topshop. I love that store. It's so big. I feel inspired when I'm in there. I don't know why. It's just such a massive store and there's so many cool things, and I feel like that store particularly, because it's the flagship, I think it's the world flagship store, but it's definitely the flagship in the UK, because it's such a big store. They get so many pieces that so many other stores don't get, and it's just epic. So I picked up these amazing pants. They're from the Petites collection, but they might have them in regular size. I'll have to check. I loved these when I saw them. I was like, okay, I need to get me these. Firstly, the fact that they're petite, so on me, the leg length is amazing. But they have this stretchy, wide, really thick waistband. So they're super duper comfortable. And then they just kind of go out to a flared leg at the bottom. And they're really flattering. I picked them up in a size 6 UK to US. And they are just they're just really comfy. I don't know how to explain it, but I wore these out to dinner one night and I just absolutely love them. I'll insert some pics of me wearing these pieces because I've pretty much posted most of them on my Instagram, so I'll be sure to post a pic in insert. But yeah, I loved these. I love them still. I'm so excited to wear them. I feel so I wore them, I think, with just a black cami top and they were heels, yeah, probably some pointed boots I think I wore. But I also wore them on the trip with trainers and a t-shirt, a kind of band tee, graphic tee. That looked super cool. Yeah, I've been really enjoying styling these up in different outfits. I also wore these one of the nights in Italy at this wedding we went to, because there was lots of bugs in the evening, so it was nice to kind of wear trousers even though it was really hot. And yeah, I absolutely love these, and I think they're still in stock, so I'll be sure to link them. Then also from Topshop, I picked up this super cute set, which I actually didn't end up wearing, and I couldn't tell you why. I feel there was no day that lent itself to me wearing this, which seems crazy because I was I'm definitely gonna wear this 100%. It was these adorable little broderie on glaze. I don't know if you can quite see there. What, focus? It's basically broderie on glaze, so it's little holes basically in it, and it has these tortoiseshell or faux tortoiseshell buttons, and it has a really nice stretchy waist. This is also in petite, and this I got again in a size 6 UK to US. And then typically I would have got the matching top, which how freaking cute is this, in a 6, but they only had an 8. So I thought, you know what, it's a little bit oversized on me, but it looks cute too. And it has these adorable little tie side or tie top here. And yeah, I just thought this was such a cute little set to wear. I haven't worn this, but it is my birthday next week and my family are coming into town and we're going to be doing lots of things, so I feel like I'm going to end up wearing this next week to do something. But I think with some little, like, I have these strappy mules from Miss Selfridge that I love, they look so cute with that, or some little trainers or some tan sandals. This is just such an easy, like, cute outfit, and it looks kind of smart as well. And I feel like these shorts, sorry, you can dress up and dress them down. Then moving on to H&M. I went to H&M, I can't remember which H&M I got this from in the end, but I went to a few. I went to one in London, I went to one in Berlin, a couple in Berlin, and I knew I didn't have kind of the right things for the latter part of my trip, so like Ibiza, and I wanted some like beachier things, so I picked up this. It's gonna bleach out completely, but it's a really cute little play suit, and I really like this fabric. It has this tie detail in the middle. I definitely posted this on my Instagram, so I'll insert a pic right here so you can actually see this. But I loved it. It's really easy, it's throw on. I got it in a size 2 US, so that's again 6 UK, and yeah, it's just like adjustable straps, really comfy, really easy to throw on, and I wore this like a lot of times while we were away. Then moving on to Bershka, I also got a little cami top, but that's in the wash, but I think I posted it in the picture with this, so when I insert a pic, you'll see what that looks like. It's just a basic black cami. But what I wanted to talk about was this leopard print skirt, and I'm freaking obsessed. Firstly, I forgot how much I loved Bershka. I love Zara, it's my favourite, but what I love about Bershka is I feel like they do a lot more kind of smaller sizes, so their extra small fits me like the most perfect of all time, and I love it. And yeah, I just absolutely, there was so much stuff in there. I wanted to buy loads of stuff to bring home, but honestly my case was so full I couldn't. And I thought this skirt I knew I was going to wear back in LA a bunch. It's a midi wrap skirt, and I posted this again on my Instagram, so I'll insert a pic. And I absolutely loved the leopard print on this. The fabric's really nice. I think it's viscose, I have to check, but it hangs really nicely. What does it say? Yeah, it's viscose. It feels like viscose, and it hangs really nicely, and it was really comfy to wear. They also had it in a snakeskin, and I was kind of on the fence because I'm really into loving snakeskin at the moment. I kind of wish I got both because they weren't very expensive. I think they were like 19 euros or 15 euros or something, and I honestly wore this probably the most out of everything I wore on the whole trip. I wore it in the outfit that you saw on my Instagram, just with a simple black cami top that I also picked up from there, and then I also wore it with a bounty on the plane. I wore it dressed up to go to dinner. It was the most versatile skirt. I'm loving midi skirts for this season, and oh, I'm thinking about doing a how to style midi skirts or maybe a trends video for autumn winter. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see that. So as I mentioned, I have been loving snakeskin. Obviously it's super on trend, we all know that. If you don't, I don't think you've been in any store because everywhere is mock snakeskin, mock croc, mock leopard, everything. So as I mentioned, I was in Ibiza, and I kind of was like stressed that I didn't really have anything that I really wanted to wear to go out and party, like go to the clubs and stuff. So I did a mad dash run to Bershka because I picked up that leopard skirt when I was in Berlin, and I thought there was one in Ibiza, and I thought I'll try it out. So I picked up this little tube top. Now it looks tiny, but it really stretches. And it is in this like grey snakeskin. This was I think 7 euros or something, and I was buying these like denim shorts, which I will show you in a minute, and I just thought this is a really easy outfit. I'm gonna insert a picture of me on my way out from that night, and yeah, it was just like an easy throw on piece that I thought, what a perfect, like, because we were going out and I was going to be dancing all night, I didn't want to be in something uncomfortable, so I literally wore this, denim shorts, my trainers, and like a fanny pack, a bum bag, and it was like the easiest outfit. My hair was in braids. I just wanted to be able to dance, and I love dancing so much I didn't want to feel restricted. I don't like to be in like a heel and a tight outfit. I wanted just to be in like fun dancing clothes. So anyway, long rambling story, but yeah, I picked this one up and I've been loving it. That's why I say I kind of wish I picked up the snakeskin skirt, because I think actually I'll end up wearing this quite a bit back here in LA, and I think it will look super cool with like some high-waisted black jeans, some little outfits. So yeah, I'm really loving that one. And then the final thing I picked up from Bershka, as I mentioned, was some denim shorts. These I think were 12 euros, which is, I mean, the biggest bargain ever. And I just tried them on. I honestly grabbed them as I was going to the changing room to try other stuff on, and I was like, oh well, you know, like denim shorts and a top could be a good outfit. And I did have some other denim shorts with me, but they were kind of like loose, baggy ones, and I thought, well, I want to be in something like fitted and stretchy and moving around comfy and high-waisted. So I picked up these, and honestly, they fit so nicely. They are the most stretchy denim shorts I probably have ever tried on, which I've been kind of veered away from them for a while. I really like that kind of like stiffer denim, that kind of vintage look. But for something like this, these were just the dream. They're so comfortable. I really like the stretch. They fit me literally like a glove. I couldn't be happier with these. And honestly, 12 euros. I was like, have to get these. They're so good. And yeah, as you can tell, loving Bershka, kind of obsessed. Really upset that I can't. Actually, I don't think you can get it here in the States, but let me know in the comments if you guys know whether I can or not, because I'm loving it. So in that same dash, I went to Zara and I picked this little, I think it's a dress, but I'm not sure if it's a cami dress. So it's super short. On me, it's definitely a dress, like fully comes down to like, not my mid-thigh, but kind of there. And it kind of has this drawstring waist. It's really flattering, and I really like the kind of lace detail on it. I like the feel of the fabric, it feels really nice. And it's from the TRF collection at Zara. And this was 19 euros. And I just thought, you know what? It's an easy little throw dress. I actually didn't end up wearing this because I bought this on like our last day. But I know I'll wear this back in LA, and it will just be great with some like over the knee boots and a leather jacket for kind of the fall season to go out in here. And yeah, I just thought it was a great piece to have in my wardrobe, and it fit me so nicely that I couldn't walk away from it. Then I picked up some new jeans from American Eagle. I wanted to share these with you guys because I find jeans hard. I'm petite, and I know this is a weird thing to say, but I have a regular like waist to butt. What is that? Groin? Waist to groin? That ratio is regular size, but my legs are just really short, so I can't really wear petite jeans. I just need a short leg, and I find that really hard to find, and yeah, I end up hating jeans. So when I find pairs that I love, I really want to share them with you guys, and I picked these up just before I went on my trip, so I thought I would include them in this haul. And these are some black jeans from American Eagle. They are, I wonder if I can find the ones that they're called. I'll be sure to link these down below, but I picked them up in a short leg. And they have all this kind of like distressing down the front, and then they have like the slightly stepped but just sort of frayed hem on them. And I think I took a picture of these. I think I'll insert it now because I think I did. And these are so comfortable. They're high-waisted, you feel kind of like held in and good. I love the length of the zip. I'm really fussy about if they're a high-waisted jean that the zip isn't short. That's how I feel like you get that kind of like fupa looking situation, even if you don't have one. I like the zip to be a full length, and this one kind of is. It kind of finishes just before the crotch. And yeah, I really like these. I like the level of distressing. I like the depth of the black in the jean, and they've been really comfortable to wear. I wore these even to fly. It wasn't a super long flight, it was like an hour's flight, but still, to fly in jeans for me is a big deal because I feel so like kind of restricted in jeans on a plane because you kind of retain a lot of water and you expand. So for me to want to wear a pair of jeans was a big deal, and these were so comfortable. So yeah, love those. And then the final store that I went to was River Island. I love River Island. I actually went and chatted with the press team there while I was in the UK, and it made me realise how much I miss River Island and how I don't get to, like, I don't know, you can buy online, but it takes a really long time, and I just miss it. I love going in the store, trying new stuff on. They always have really cool stuff. Anyway, they very kindly gave me a gift card. Obviously I was going to Ibiza, so I wanted to pick up some fun things, and they have such good swimwear. I think they have swimwear throughout the whole year. But I posted a picture of this one on my Instagram, and how amazing is this cover up? It's pink with like neon coral and then like tassels and pom-poms. It's just so like boho, and oh, it just looked so cute. I wore this on a boat day that we went on, and I absolutely loved it. It's just like easy to throw on. What I loved about it is, even though it's obviously a cover up, it looked like a proper dress. So I didn't feel like when we were having lunch and like chilling that I wasn't like in clothes. I hate those cover ups. Well, I have a few of them, but I have cover ups where like it's kind of sheer and like completely see-through. So you end up just sitting and you're like, oh, I'm not really in clothes, but this felt really good on. I absolutely loved it, and yeah, I am excited to wear this some more because it's still quite hot here in LA. So I'm probably gonna wear this quite a bit more before the end of the summer. And then my final piece that I wanted to share with you is really simple, but honestly, this is something, again, like the leopard skirt that I've just wanted so much since like getting. It is a linen, I think it's a linen cotton mix, let me check. Oh, it's viscose. I would never have thought that. But it looks kind of like a linen shirt basically, and it is a white, oh my gosh, you'll never be able to see this on camera, but it is a white linen shirt with kind of tortoiseshell buttons down it. I'm gonna insert a pic of it with my denim shorts. I wore it out to brunch in LA, but I also wore this a ton while I was away. And fun fact, I spilt red wine all the way down the front of it while I was in Italy, and I got it out, which is a miracle. And I've absolutely been loving wearing this. I have been looking for kind of that kind of throw on easy shirt for a while, but I found all the ones I found were kind of boxy and unflattering, where this one, the weight of the fabric just hangs really nicely and it's easy to throw on. So yeah, I've absolutely been loving wearing that one. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this kind of random mixed vacation haul, and I would love to know what you would like to see here on my channel. Let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a like if you liked it, that would mean so much to me, and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye! Mwah!